ओम शांति। गुड मॉर्निंग आप सभी को। ये प्रैक्ट सेशन में हमारी काउंसलिंग पार्ट व्हाई इट इज़ सो इम्पोर्टेंट इट्स साइकोलॉजिकल काउंसलिंग। नाउ ए डेज वर्ल्ड इज हैविंग lot of stress, tension and problems. People are frustrated about their problems. They are not getting a proper solution. They are getting solution, but they have to be patient for that. Nowadays people are losing their patience. Why it is so? Why they are losing their patience? Why they are impatient? They cannot wait for a while. That is all due to their mental stress, psychological upset. They not yet have that supreme knowledge as they are the soul, they are the actor, the God is the director, they are playing a role over the world, being an actor. They are just as an instrument in the God's hand. They are just like a play material in the God's hand. If they will understood this knowledge also, they will become problem free. They will become relaxed and they will have their self-esteem. Nowadays why people losing their self-esteem? They are telling we are not getting that respect as I deserve. We are not getting the facility, the opportunities as I deserve. Why it is so? That is all due to our thought process. If we are thinking positively, then the result will come positively. We are having a subconscious fear always towards the failure, towards the stress or towards some unhappiness is happening into our life. Like that, if we are having this kind of unsuccessful things into our mind, then we may suffer, we may lose, we may forget. So for this reason, what to do? Why? The PRACT course give the first step, the importance on psychological counseling, knowing the stress and tension in the world. Nowadays, seeing like corona, many patients are dying due to the fear of corona. Really, everybody having their natural immunity to fight against this kind of virus or bacteria. But still many patients are suffering that only due to fear, stress and tension, or some patients are due to laziness. They are not taking that proper medication or proper care like steam inhalation, like a kadha. The things is very usual, very normal things they may not taking. But as for the counseling role is played for every human being's mind status or seeing the health condition of every human being. What is happening? Now really there are many factors like nowadays see about the geriatric people, those are more than 60, like if they got retirement from their job and they are looking after the home previously as a leader, as the father, as the guardian of the house. But nowadays when the age crosses, the children, the grandchildren, they becoming more intelligent or more statusful or more heavier than the senior. They are telling now it is the time for you to sit silently, to pray God. Don't involve like any kind of decision making activity of the home or the things like some one day we just follow whatever they used to say us. But nowadays we are just with their living period only, we are telling them now you have to sit and we are going to tell whatever is going to be required. So like this many things are happening and we are giving importance to the counseling portion. Counseling, why it is so? See what happened, the disease process. Why the counseling for this PRACT training? Because getting free from the complete disease, like you should not have any kind of a little minor problem also. For that we need to know the root cause of the disease. Root cause of the root cause of disease is our imbalanced state of mind, our thought process. If we are thinking negative, if we are getting fear, that means a negative hormone is going to be secreted like adrenaline, noradrenaline. Then there will be vasoconstriction all over our body. The blood vessel and nerve cells are going to blocked. Yeah, they are going to be squeezed. Then arteries, the diameter having this much, it is going to be like this. So that what will happen, the amount of blood is going to get by our all vital organs and cell and tissue, they are going to get less amount of blood due to the narrowness of the artery and vein. Second thing, the hormone, the neurotransmitter, which is very important for our body, the amount of neurotransmitter is going to be secreted from our body is going to be decreased. The positive neurotransmitter, those are helpful for like endorphin, euphoric stage. It creates a euphoric stage from our body. So that all hormone is going to be decreased or depleted. So due to that, what will happen? All the process like there is lack of secretion of neurotransmitter, there is suppression of our hormonal system. Second, there is squeezes of our blood vessel and artery. The amount of blood and carrying oxygen is going to be reached to the tissue, there will be less. So due to that lacking, there will be some pathological process. There will be cyanosis, there will be anaerobic metabolism due to absence of oxygen. The organism going to grow, it will be also more. So that mechanism is going to land up into a disease process. Where there is in the body the lack of oxygen due to lack of blood supply, due to decreased amount of blood supply, due to there will be vasoconstriction, and due to there will be decreased neurotransmitter secretion, or there will be due to decreased endocrine function, so that will happen. So there secretly it is going to create some pathology condition of the body due to hypoxia, anoxia, hypoxemia. There will be then a CVA, cerebrovascular accident, then myocardial infarction. Like this kind of things are happening, like diabetic, hypertension, blood vessel problems like a thrombosis, aneurysm. There will be many disease that is going to be happen like asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia. These are all psychosomatic problems. So then what are the root cause of that? Now there should be a positive state of mind, should balance that neurotransmitter as well as our endocrine hormone, so that we will be in a elevated stage. Like when we are dancing in a happiness, when we are in deep meditating, and in the deep stage where alpha rays is going to secreted from our brain, that means in the stage we are in a euphoric stage, endorphin is going to be secreted more, so that what will happen, our body in a positive balance. So that time all the neurotransmitter, our endocrine system, everything, our blood vessel working also more normally, healthy way. So there will be a happy mood, means there won't be any disease. So the root cause of disease is thinking process, stress, tension, negativity, that is going to decrease our hormonal as well as neurotransmitter system, so that we suffer a disease. So these are all the root cause. For that, what we are going to do, we are providing counseling to the patient. May not some problem we cannot avoid it. Some problems are unavoidable. There may not be a problem. These are natural process. But seeing the problem in which direction, that is our attitude. So by changing our attitude, we can change the health status. We can be living in a healthy way. So that is what our main motto, to cure the root cause of the disease by counseling. So counseling, how na counseling boosting the morale of the human being. Just boosting, patting, you can elevate the self-esteem of that human being, so that he or himself or herself, they will think about the positive things according to their situation, how they are going to be come up. So this is the important role play in practice training for counseling. Okay, Om Shanti. I hope आप फॉलो करेंगे हमारी नेक्स्ट वीडियो, दैट इज प्रैक्ट मोटिवेशनल. P stand for psychological counseling, another P stand for physiological exercise, then R stand for Raj Yogas, then A stand for asanas and pract, and C stand for color therapy, 7 color therapy. ये combining together how we are curing from the disease, that we all are going to know it. Okay, so please try to follow our channel, that is Pract Motivational. Try to subscribe and share this video, like and comment. Om Shanti.